Okay, I have a terrible connection. So please forgive me on that one. Alright, let's go. So we have a few things to work on. So let's check all these issues. I started fixing some of these email styling issues. I think I'll start here, but there are other things I want to do. So we're not storing the lists in the database just yet, so we'll need to do that. I think we'll need this in the future. For example, I don't want to send the same item twice to the same user, so when I'm curating a list, I want to remove the elements that I've already sent to that user. I want to get some post metadata, like a description, mostly description for now. Set up the CI/CD so that I can push my changes to GitHub and it updates the backend, things like that. And I want to break down the pipeline for the different sections. So right now I only have one model that recommends items. What I want to do is have my pipeline broken down into the different sections in the email so that I have different potentially models, but at least different lists for different sections. Maybe we can just look at it. So in the main here, it's the run publish. So this is the function that runs the whole pipeline. What I currently have is I get the users, I get all the new posts, I save these posts, and then what I do is I have my ranker, single ranker, I init to get the, this is where I load the data set basically and build the vocabulary. That's what I'm doing here. And then for each user here, I get a list, but a single list. So actually what I should do is, what I want to do is break down into several lists, right? So what I should have really is user list, something like this, where I have font, use, and so on and so forth for each section. And then here I can say news, but user list font, I can already say that it's the best of, like it's basically all posts, the first, what, 3? Let's do 3. Let's do 5, actually. Let's do 5. And that's it, right? And then I want to save these lists. How? I don't really know. Do I just want to save the full list or with different sections, potentially tags? Perhaps if we look at our schema list, we have post IDs. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, this is not what I want to do right now. That's what I want to do. Oh, by the way, I said we are not saving the lists, but we are. I've done this already, apparently. So I'm going to say close issue, right? We are doing it. So I'm going to close that issue. It's done. This one, I'm just gonna delete it. I don't care. Honestly, I just don't care. Delete issue. All right. So perhaps we can start off with here, the email styling. Okay. Let's look at that. Come on. I've made a few changes since last time. It's looking much better already. But this is what we have right now. There are a few things to change. First of all, I don't want the gray background anymore, so I'm gonna change that. Okay. I want to add the logo right here. Yeah, I want to change these emojis. They look awful right now. I'm gonna use Apple's emojis. I'm gonna load them as images, or perhaps I'm just gonna use some feather icons images. Would be much better, I think. Let's see. Thumbs up. Not sure. Oh, I can change the stroke to 1 pixel. Nice. And then what? Okay. I can get on board with that. I just want to change the color. Okay, I need a hash color. Well, let me check this here. Okay, do we want the color to match this one? Yeah, I think yes. I think the answer is yes. So let's do just that. No, not here, post item. This is the color. Yep. So let's do that. Okay. Now I can. Okay, and the size I want is about. Let's do 16 pixels. Okay. Download started. And I want the message icon. And now what I need to do is SVG to PNG. Okay, upload files. Okay. All right. Now I have my 2 items that I can put in there. Okay. Let me see. I want to put them in code. Where is the other one? Here. Alright. And in ScrambledTech. And now, I think I'm gonna have them. Let's put them in assets. No. Backend. Actually, I don't think so. can I just I can't. I want to put them in the web folder and into public right there. This is where I want them to be. Look, I'm gonna deploy that real quick. Add icon assets, and I'm gonna push that. Okay. This PyFetch thing, yeah, I'm gonna wait for that. I'll do this in the CI/CD. I think what I want to do now is figure out how to do this thing with images. So let's check this out. Fuck, this is not what I wanted to do. Okay. Oh, I don't care about this one. It's okay. Let's go to a Cora example. This is the style I'm looking for. I want to see how it works. Wow. Come on. Okay, so this is an image. What do you give it? So it's a small table, right? What is this? No. Okay. Alright. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, I get it. So I'm gonna say TD image like this, right? And the image is, for me it's gonna be https scrambletech.com/ what was the name again? Public. It's going to be thumbs up. .png. I'm gonna say upvotes. And do you specify some style? Yes. So I'm gonna have interesting. Height 20 pixels, outline no. I'm not gonna say anything for now. We'll see what it looks like first. Same thing for this one. And this is message circle. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, worked. Cool. Let's close this. Okay. Another change I want to check is the background gray. So let me check background color. Oh, here. I think this is the one. Is this wide enough? I think I said 620 pixels here. I would go with 680 actually. Maybe not. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Let's see. Much nicer. Much nicer. Maybe wider would be cool. So let's go for 680. Right, maybe I can change it already here. I should be able to, once I'm done with all the messages. Okay, so one of these has a, which one is it? Oh, there is an item there you go, 500 pixels and 580 pixels as well. So let's remove them. And let's stick to 620 pixels then. Ooh, I like this text. One more thing is that I don't get what this is. Ooh, I know now. In my post item, I think, nah, what is this? Oh, this TD here has a padding top and no padding bottom. So it does something weird. Perhaps I should say padding, and this is top and bottom, and then 25%. Okay, let's do that. Actually, 16 pixels. Let's do this. Font size 0, why not? Line center, border top, okay. And then there's this. I don't like that. Why is my... What does this have? A weird color. And the size is not good as well. Let's change the size. This is the image, right? The image has the total size is 16 pixels, right? And then this is, I think, 12 pixels inherited, right? What if I do 16, no, 13, why not? But I would need to say line height 1.5. Ooh, okay. And margin left 4 pixels perhaps. Padding left 4 pixels. What if I do a span here? And in the span, what? There you go. And the span, it's gonna have a font size of 13 pixels. What do we want? Come on, okay. Anyway, let's change it here. Let's do 13 pixels, and let's put something here to wrap it up. Span. Like this. I just like to, what can I do? Perhaps I should put the margin here or there. Can I do padding right? Like 4 pixels. Yeah, I think 4 is great. Also here, I want to say line height 1, and here I'm going to say class padding right 4 pixels. And the same thing here. Let's try that. What else? Here, the logo. Let's check the logo is at logo.png. Alright, so in the header, ScrambledTech here, what I want is to put an image right here, scrambletech.com/logo, and I don't know what it's gonna look like. Oh, I don't like this orange. Do I? It's okay. Alright, much better. Have more padding here, but the span is awful. So let's change that layout. But I did say this here. Oh, yep. So if I do put a span here, I need to specify line height, font size, and color directly. Okay. So that means in the post item, I'm gonna have to specify here. Let's do both at the same time. Style. Oops. Font size 13 pixels. Line height 1. Color hash A 1AA. Okay. And then I don't need this. Cool. And the padding doesn't seem to be working. Should we try again? Let's try again. Also, yeah, let's try again. But the width is, I think it's Alright. Could be wider though, I feel like. What I feel like is that it should be wider, but the text should be that exact same size. Somehow, I don't know. But to make it simpler for ourselves, let's say that the 620 pixels is gonna be a 680 pixels. Okay, nice. So what can I say about that? Except that it doesn't look right. Ooh. Okay, it's more like this TD here should be not inherit, but center. So you should say vertical align center. And it's important. TD vertical align. So do I put it in my CSS or what? Oh gosh. Oh, yeah, it's here. V align and vertical align. Okay, so post item. I can specify here V align. No. TD. Yeah, okay. V align center. And here I can say vertical align center, and I can do the same thing on this is comments, and here the align center and oops, vertical align center. Cool. What else? The logo here, the header is too big, so let's change that. Style height is going to be 14 pixels. I guess I'm gonna need some margin left. I don't know if it's gonna work. Center, not middle, right? Oh no, it is middle. Okay. Okay. Anyway. In the post item thing here, I said center, it's actually middle. Okay. How about the rest? I think here that we could have some more space between these two. Be definitely enjoyable. So where can we do that? Perhaps in this TR. Huh. So from what I'm understanding, this is one TR for that, and then there is with all the text and stuff. Okay, that doesn't look right. What I should have really is this TD, and then that in here. This is how it should work. And this is a TD, and then this really should be its own TR, right? Like this. That's how it should look like. One row for the title, one row for all the stuff, and then margin 0. I don't know why we have that. Let's try. Okay, let's try. See what it looks like. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay. Few things. This, I think, is too much for the domain. So I'm gonna remove the, where is it? Here it should be here in the font weight. I'm gonna stick to the normal font weight. This to that, and then we have the font page, and this is I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Perhaps just wrapping it up into a div or something. Or another table, perhaps. And then a wrap into a TR. And then some TDs. And both of these can have the align middle style, vertical align middle, and then this one can have a margin left of 4 pixels. Oh no, margin not left, right. and perhaps I can say 16 pixels, right? Again, let's try. Okay. Alright, that's better. But this is not aligned. How do I make this aligned? Oh shoot. Okay, fine. I do like that. And the text here, okay. Perhaps I've done the same mistake. This must be here. Okay, let's think about this. Oh, I've aligned in the middle this, but not the text, right? So what I have is, no. This image is not in the center. Why? If it was, it would be looking great, but it's not. What I could do is come here. Oh, interesting. Oh, I have stayed style instead of class. Class instead of style. Same thing here. I knew I was gonna do that. That's Tailwind right here with classes. Okay. But other than that, it's looking pretty neat. Nope, it doesn't work. We do have the padding here, but the vertical align is just not working. And on the header, I want the image to be a bit bigger, more like 20 pixels perhaps. And what else? Yeah, this is not in the center. Is this in the center? Yeah, it is. But this image right here is not. So put image in vertical align image in TT. Oh, I need a vertical line image themselves. Interesting. Let's try this. Let's try this. In the layout, I'm gonna come here and say that. Oh fuck, I said top instead of middle. Fuck. Fine. Suspense. Yes. This is not looking super fine, but I think it's good enough. I think it's good enough. What do you think? Kind of like it, to be honest. I don't know what's going on here, but this seems to be aligned, right? This is, oh, not really, right? This is not vertically aligned. This is not what I call vertically aligned. What the fuck? 16 by 21. The image itself is 16, right? Oh, actually, you know what? I think it might be okay. Fuck. Can I change it? What if I said padding 12, like 2 pixels, 0 or something? Would be better? Yeah, it would. What if I said just 1 pixel? No, it doesn't change much. What about this one? What if I said padding, I'm gonna say 2 pixels, 4 pixels. Yeah, it doesn't change much, so let's forget about that. Fuck. The width is nice. I think we're good. Did we have anything else in the issues? So we added the logo. We use images, not Apple emojis, but it's okay. We added the dividers. We've removed the background gray and increased the width. We've increased the font size. Use a dark gray instead of black font. We did that in more white space. I think it's okay. Could be better, but I think it's okay-ish. All right. So let's close that issue number 9 with a little commit. And let's push that. Now, oops. Rebuilding with Astro. I'm not gonna do that actually because, yeah, further down the road, I think I'm gonna need an API, something I don't have with Astro, so I'm just gonna stick with Next.js for now. And what else do we have? Getting some post metadata. Definitely want to check this out. So what can we do? So if we look at our init function, just go. Okay, so I've tried in the past using Beautiful Soup to get the meta description tag of URLs, but the problem is it's very slow, and so if I want to do it for all my posts here, it's going to take a while. So I'm thinking that perhaps what I could do is just do it for the posts that I'm actually going to send. You know what? Let's not think too much about that. Let's go to our post service module and add a get meta description. Oh, I already have it actually. Let's just try if it works. Get meta description. Okay, cool. So top post equal this. I'm gonna say 1, 0, and get meta description. It takes a let me call that URL. And it's supposed to send me a description back. Let's try that. So top post is a okay. This is not what I want. What I want is get all posts. No. Where is it? Get post. Okay. I get it. So I can definitely. Oh, wait. Oh no, okay. Why do I do that? I could just do this. Oops. Limit, right? Oh, but I don't really know what the post ID's length is, even though I do know, I don't really know. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna say top post equal get top posts, limit equal 1. I'm gonna say 0. So top post is a post, and so I can say top post URL, and I should be getting a description from that. So I'm gonna say description equal this, and then I'm gonna print top post URL, top post title, and description. Let's try it. So I'm gonna say Python m, where I'm at, source dot services dot post. Cool. No module named source dot services. Great. Let's move directly into that. cd source services and say Python post dot py. Okay, invalid syntax. Oh, oh, can I do this now? Python m. Yes, I can. Okay. Yeah, it took a while. And I ended up not having anything. What? Port 443 max retries exceeded with URL. Caused by SSL error. But the URL is that. Okay. Where is my get meta description? It's this. Response request.get. And then, okay, let's try to do this line by line. So I'm going to say Python. I'm going to import requests. I'm going to import PS4. No, from PS4 import. Beautiful soup SBS. And that's it. That's all I need. And then I can do what? I can say response equals requests dot get, and now I'm gonna say https www this for that.com. Right? Yeah. Oh, this to that. Sorry. Okay. Ooh. All right. What's that? What is that? Drink handling of the above. Request exceptions. I can't do this. This to that.com. What if I do? Okay, so it does work. Interesting. Oh, it's an HTTP. Yeah, okay. But why do I have HTTPS then? Interesting. Anyway, we'll see. Now I can do this. Soup. HTML is not defined. Oh yeah. HTML equals response.content. Okay. Soup is that. And then the description tag is this. How to glue this to that. Tag.text. What? Tag.text does not exist. Tag content. What? I have the tag. How do I get the text now? Content. Okay. Parent. Oh, okay. So I need to say attributes and then call content. So I can say tag attributes content like this. But it's a dictionary, right? Tag the oops, tag dot attributes, yeah, tag dot attributes, content. There we go. So this is not this, it's tag dot attributes content. Okay. Now the real question is, why do I have HTTPS when it's an HTTP? What I would like to know is requests.get. Let's say I say HTTP youtube.com. No, let's say shopbash.com. What do I get? Name request. Okay, import requests. Let's do this. Okay. Let's say I put this into a response and I say content. Cool. So what I should be doing here is that URL, I want to replace HTTPS with HTTP. Sounds like it's working more often than not. Let's try this again. And I should get how to glue this to that. Cool. How about if I take 3 posts and I say for p in top posts, and now I do this and just take this. Whoops. Sorry for that. And I'm just gonna say P. Okay. Let's try again. Of course, I need to change the limit. Oh, right. List index out of range. 3. Alright. A fake job offer gone wrong. I don't have anything here, really. And then this one, I don't have anything either. Alright. Let's see if it's true. Has to be a description in this one. Can't believe there's no description. Elements in the header. Come on, OG description? No? No OG description? Really? You have the site name. Okay. Title. Alright. No OG description. Cool. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna import requests, and I'm gonna say requests.get that bad boy response, and then I'm gonna do the normal stuff up there. So HTML is, oops, come on, this, and soup is that. Actually, you know what, HTML.text, HTML.text content. Type of HTML, what is it? Bytes. Oh, okay. So I do need to do this. Okay. Okay, so my soup is this now. If I do text, okay, soup soup.text. Let's say I just want 150 characters. What do we get? Okay, now if I say soup.text dot replace how do I say replace all with G? I might say N with nothing. Okay. And then I take 150 characters. What about that? Okay. What about if I do 250 characters? Overview. Okay. Soup dot text. Okay, so what we have in soup, dict dot keys. Where are we here? Okay. I'm just gonna say list of that. We have element classes. Okay, soup dot element classes. All right, doesn't work. We have current tag, most recent element, attributes, contents. Ooh, contents might be interesting. Markup. What about markup? Why is markup? Okay. How about soup dot contents? Okay. Oh, this is a list, right? Now I can say, or what I could do is get the p tags, the first p tag. How about that? So I can say soup.find p, right? Oof, okay. Benjamin. Let's check this one again. What is the structure of this website? Oh, I get this, right? How do you get just the interesting part? This is tough, man. Yeah, I don't have this method. I can't do that. Okay, cool. Soup. Fuck. Soup.text. Soup.text. Dot replace. And by nothing. And then I want to say, give me the first 500 characters of that. And it doesn't work, right? So if I do soup.find all p, can I do this? Nice. And if I do this and I only take the first two, what do we get? We get this first p tag. This is not interesting, and then we report several practicality. Okay, so what if I do this and I say list No. I'm gonna do something like a map. So let's do it. List map and lambda p.text dot replace with nothing. How about that? Okay. What if I remove this? Alright, why not? I prefer that one. And then what I want to do is add a dot join. Right. Oh shit. Great. So we get this. Let me try. So I'm gonna say if not tag, and I'm gonna get all the things here. So I'm gonna say text equal p's, p tags equal sub dot find all p. Now honestly, I can just say oh, let's do something disgusting. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna say if tag let's do this, okay. Else I'm gonna say description equal and I'm gonna do this big thing right here. Okay, let's see how it works. So I got this, and then I just want the first 300 characters of that. So I'm gonna save this. All right. Let's see what we have. Okay. End-to-end encrypted messages need more than lip signal. What? You don't even have text in here? What? Wow. Okay. What is this? A table or what? Oof. What just happened? Okay. It crashed. Oh, I have an idea actually. I want to do. Oops. Let's go here and go to google.com. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I want to see if there's a description in Google. In theory, there should not. Come on. Okay, wait. What? Ooh, there is. So how do you get that? Fuck, I'm missing something. How about the one in my terminal? This one. But I must be missing something here. What if I try this? In the head, maybe? Title, okay. URL. How does Google know how to scrape that then? Is it just good at it? I don't know. Okay, so there's nothing here, right? Ignore. This website seems fishy, but let's try it anyway. So we want this, right? Let's close a few things. This is terrible. Okay, so if I go to head, what do we got? Okay, nothing. Cool. A canvas? What? Okay. And then you have inner. Okay. You have the header and the content. Okay, cool. Why not? Inner. Fine. Primary. Okay. Inner. Come on. Where's the fucking text? Entry content. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, it's directly into the div. Cool. Alright, I'm done with it. Let's forget about that. You know what? I'm gonna take the description if it exists, otherwise I'm just gonna forget about it. And that's it, right? And then what I'm gonna do is, okay, get meta description. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna say here that, okay, I wanna say continue. Okay, cool. Okay, if not post text equal this, I'm gonna say get meta description of post URL. There you go. Let's try that. Should work already. CURL publish. Okay. Actually, let's go to issues directly. Okay. How to glue this to that? They just don't care. Qatari World Cup organizers don't even hide their apathy over migrant worker deaths, including the most recent ones. Okay. What can we say about this text other than it looks a bit big and 16 pixels and 16 pixels. But yeah, I think it's okay. It's alright. Perhaps a little bit margins in here would be nice. Like come on, please. Okay, so what do we have? We have margin 4 pixels. It's this one. Margin, I'm gonna say 8 pixels. And that's it. Actually, I'm just gonna say margin top. Okay, I'm gonna say margin 0 and margin top 8 pixels. And I'm gonna put some margin to this one as well here. So I'm gonna put it here, I guess. Padding right. Where should I put it? Here. Style. Padding top. Let's do 8 pixels. Let's try it first. Exactly, this one. If I said padding top 4 pixels, what about 8 pixels? Ooh, I like it. And how about if I put here in this one and I said 8 pixels, 0, 0, 0. That's great. That is great. Okay, and the color, I don't know if I should do something gray or ish, like this. Almost. I don't know if it's easy to read. I feel like something gray or ish like this would be easier to read. Perhaps a font weight that is lighter. 400, 300. This let's put it back to that. Nah, too light. I don't like it. Let's stick to 400 and yeah, let's just stick to that. I'm just gonna say add more white space and here. Nope. This one I'm gonna say add meta description. What is the issue number? It is number 5. Why doesn't it work? This should work. Why is it not working? Closing issues with commits. Yes. Put a keyword and put, so I do need to say something like close number. You can use any of these keywords to close an issue. Yeah, okay. The message must contain a string matching the following pattern. For example, close number 1. Oh, okay. Close like this. Add in a description, and then let's try push. Alright, so where do we got? Oh yeah, it worked. Cool. Break down lists for different sections. Let's do the setup CI/CD workflow for now. I think this is more important. Okay, so this is going to be a tricky one. So what I need is my backend to be deployed on push. Okay, so I'm going to have to create a new workflow. I'm going to say deploy.yaml. And you know what, let's just check an existing project where I did it, which is metrics, not compare. I want tree staging. Okay, you know what, never mind. No, come on. Sorry, I don't see the messages. I used to use Linux, but now I'm on macOS. Have to say it's much better. Workflows, deploy. Okay, so what does it look like and what do we need? So I want to, oops. So I want to deploy the backend when I push the main branch. Let's remove this, and the jobs are deploy. Come on. Okay, name deploy. Runs on Ubuntu latest. And then steps are, oops, name. Let's just take that. Uses Apple Pay SSH action with that. So I need to set the host, the user, and the key in my secrets, and then I'm going to move to ScrambledTech actually. Pull everything, Yeah, why not? Remove the environment, yeah. Python 3 and okay. Activate the environment, install, and then do a pm2 reload. Metrics. Okay, why not? But it's gonna be ScrambledTech. Okay. Cool. Let's look at my make file. I should have a run or something, right? Oh, I just say dev. Okay, why not? How do I launch that with PM2 though? PM2 UVcorn. Okay, so I can do this. So I can say PM2 start, and then UVcorn. Pretty much the same thing as I have in my make file. So it's this. Without the reload, I guess, and yeah. Source API, is it the same structure? Source API main, yep, and then the app. Okay, cool. PM2 start. Okay, but to get it started, I need to first go to my server. Okay, and I don't think I have ScrambledTech in there, so I'm gonna say git clone. Okay, I'm good with that. This, okay, now, oh shoot, permission denied, of course, it's a private repo. What if I do this? Okay, sudo apt install. No, fuck. It's working? Cool. Shouldn't do this here, right? let me stop that real quick. Again with a web browser. Come on. Struggling. Okay. This is not working. It is not working. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, shit. This is device, not... Okay. Come on. Come on. Alright. I am done. Okay. Coming back. Coming back. Okay. So